Hey guys, welcome to Lux Paris. Today I will be doing a review and also show you what fits inside my Louis Vuitton bum bag. So without further ado, let's go over the detailed features of the bum bag. So as you guys know, the bum bag is available in the classic monogram print. It's also available in the World Tour version. And recently, Louis Vuitton launched a bum bag in the beautiful Empreinte collection. So a variety of different styles available if you're looking to add the bum bag to your collection. So for the purpose of today's video, we're going to talk about the classic monogram print version, which is the one featured in today's video. So some of the detailed features, you have this gorgeous vachetta leather tab on the front of the bum bag that says Louis Vuitton Paris. What I also like about this bum bag is the fact that it has a lid. This particular lid here comes in handy when you want to open and close your bag. I highly recommend that when you're opening and closing the bag that you pull the entire lid back to avoid the zipper getting in contact with the canvas lining, because as you guys know, once the canvas is damaged, Louis Vuitton will not repair the canvas. Be very careful when you get in and out of the bum bag. What's also great about the bum bag is the fact that it comes with two golden zipper pulls, and both zipper pulls have the LV initials engraved. At the bottom of the bum bag, you have a D-ring. I did ask my client advisor the purpose of the D-ring, and she mentioned that you can either add a bag charm or a scarf to this D-ring. The top of the bum bag features a vachette leather handle, and the vachette leather handle also says Louis Vuitton. And now let's go over the detailed features of the back of the bum bag. So as you guys can see, towards the back, we have the vachette leather strap. This particular vachette leather strap has 7 adjustable settings. The leather strap has 2 buckles. So you have one buckle on this end, and the other buckle is on the opposite end, and both buckles are engraved with Louis Vuitton. One end of the strap is removable, so towards this end, and I'm just going to get a little bit closer, you can remove the strap on this end. However, the strap isn't removable on the opposite end. And I'm just going to get a little bit closer so that you guys can see that. And as you can see on this end, it's completely sewed on the gold hardware. You also have a zippered compartment towards the back of the bum bag. And this zippered compartment is pretty generous in size. You can actually fit your mobile phone in here. You can also fit keys and a small compact wallet. So now let's take a look at the interior of the bum bag. The interior of the bum bag features a black cotton lining. This lining is a little bit different than what we're accustomed to. Towards the back, you have your made in stamp, and this particular bum bag was made in France. And you have no pockets or D-rings inside the bum bag, so it's just a big black hole. So now that we've discussed the features of the bum bag, let me show you what you can actually fit inside of it. A compact wallet will definitely fit inside the bum bag. You guys can see I have plenty of room to add other essentials. I have my key holder, and that will fit comfortably inside the bum bag with the compact wallet. You can also fit a 4-ring key holder. If you like to carry a card holder with you, this one I like to store all of my business cards. That will also fit inside the bum bag. I also like to carry a pen inside of all of my handbags, and this one is the Louis Vuitton Etui Stylo pen holder. I believe this particular pen holder has been discontinued. I've owned it for quite some time now, but it's practically inside every single one of my handbags. I also like to carry my sunglasses inside of my handbags, and recently revealed the Woody sunglass case on the channel. If you haven't seen it, I'll also link the video in the description box for you guys. However, this is a piece that goes inside every single one of my handbags. Here's a look at everything that I would typically carry inside the bum bag. And as you guys can see, I still have some room if I wanted to carry other essentials. However, I won't be adding anything else because this is pretty much what I carry on the daily. And I would also carry my iPhone with me, and this one is the iPhone 8. And as you guys can see, I have the Louis Vuitton nanogram phone ring holder attached to the back of the case. And I typically like to place my iPhone inside of the zippered compartment towards the back of the bag so that I can have quick and easy access to it. I also wanted to demonstrate to you guys that a full-size wallet will fit comfortably inside of the bum bag. So if you don't own a compact wallet, or if you'd rather carry your full-size wallet, it will fit perfectly inside the bum bag. So I still have the same contents inside the bum bag. The only difference is I removed the compact wallet. If you are planning on using a full-size wallet inside of the bum bag, you do need to tilt the wallet at an angle so that it can fit comfortably inside the bum bag. And here's a look at the full-size Clemence wallet inside the bum bag. For those of you guys that like to carry your cosmetics with you inside of your handbags, I also want to demonstrate that if you own the toiletry pouch 15, that will also fit comfortably inside the bum bag. Voila, here's a look at the bag, completely stuffed with all of the essentials that I share with you guys. As you guys can see, it's still intact, it's in shape, there's nothing bulging out of the bum bag. And one thing that I must note about the bum bag, it's super comfortable on the body. I love the fact that the canvas is super soft and squishy, and it molds to your body. So there are a variety of ways that you can style the bum bag. What I like about the bum bag is the versatility. So you can either wear it as a bum bag as it is intended, or you can wear it as a crossbody bag, which is how I prefer to wear this bag. I think given my body frame, it looks a little bit too big on me when I wear it as a bum bag. So I prefer to wear it as a crossbody bag or as a shoulder bag. I also love the fact that it has a top handle, so you can rock the bag handheld. Another pro would be the zippered compartment towards the back of the bag, and it gives you easy access to your keys, your cell phone, whatever SLGs that you want to store in here that you want easy access to. I highly recommend that you store them in the zippered back compartment. Another pro about the bum bag would be the adjustment. I love the fact that the interior is black, so you don't have to worry about the interior of your bag getting dirty since it's not a light color. And I also love the fact that it's a cotton lining, so it's very easy to clean. One of the cons, in my personal opinion, would be the lid of the bum bag. So aesthetically, it looks great. I love the aesthetic look of the lid. It does get annoying to have to keep lifting the lid of the bag so that you can open and close the bag. As I mentioned earlier, if you are not careful, the zipper pull will catch on to the canvas, and once the canvas is ruined, your bag is pretty much ruined because Louis Vuitton will not repair canvas. And the final con, in my opinion, is the fact that the vachette leather strap isn't completely removable. It's such a shame, as versatile this bag is, that you're not able to completely remove the vachette leather strap so that you can add other straps that you currently have in your collection for different looks. Overall, I love the bum bag. I think it has a great price point, in my opinion, given the versatility of the bag. You can carry all of your essentials plus more. As I demonstrated, it fits quite a bit. And even though you have all of the items that I shared in today's video stored inside the bum bag, this bag is surprisingly very lightweight, so it's not heavy on the body. The only thing that I would caution you, if you add more than what I shared in today's video, then obviously you're going to have a little bit of weight, but overall it's a super lightweight bag. That concludes my review of the Louis Vuitton bum bag. I hope you guys found this video helpful. As always, thank you so much for tuning in to Lux Paris, and I will chat with you guys on my next video.